So when the kids come to us, they already know quite a bit about the eagle because they've been learning about it at school, and then they're totally ready and excited to actually see the bird in real life.
Look around you and tell me what else you see when you look around.
One of our core beliefs at T-Town is that you want to protect what you love, and you love it because you know it. To be able to see an eagle and know that it's your neighbor, I think that has a really big impact for a kid or for an adult. But you know, you start when you're a kid, then you know it from way back. Really? All right, thanks. Great.